In today's video, we are going to review the pineapple knife. As you can see, it's called a Cora slicer. As you can see, it just slices your lemon. So we go to the directions. First, it is stainless steel, and it is effortless, cores and slices. Slices directions: slices of the leafy crown of a pineapple. Recommended size is 3 to 5 pounds. I don't know how to measure the pineapple. If you know, comment down below. Position the cutting disc over it, then twist. The handle will with a slight downward pressure. All the juice is retained with minimal wastage. So this is the gadget. So you cut two sides. You cut this side, and then you insert the gadget, and then you spin or you twist, and then the fruit comes out. So let's try this together. So here is our pineapple. We cut off the top side, as you can see. Then we now insert the gadget. So you twist it as you're getting in. Like the guideline has said, it's going to retain as much juice as possible. So I can see the juice is being retained in the peel. So let's see how it goes. But I like the way it's cutting very neatly, and you're avoiding the messy parts of a pineapple. Remember, the chopping board is from Jest World collection. If you want one, place an order. It's collapsible. You can use it to wash your ingredients, and you can also use it to chop. Yeah, you see, it is very nice shape, very well done. No, as you can see. Yeah. So let's see how the slices look like. So here are the slices. They're even designed. You don't have to stress. Look, very nice slices. And this is the inside. It has some juice, so we'll just put the juice in a cup and drink. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the gadget. This is the slices it makes, and this is the outcome. Your juice will remain inside, and this box shows you the process. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for more videos like this and more gadgets. Remember, this gadget is available on Jest World collection, and you can place your order. You can also visit our Instagram page, Jest World collection, and you'll find in the highlights section, you'll find all our items that are available. Thank you.